Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce Pya Pyu Pyo. Campanas Japanese. Pya Pyu Pyo. These are called Yōon, sounds represented by combined characters. Yōon is a set of sounds that are made up of the consonants in this row, followed by a, u, o, instead of i. For example, Pya Pyu Pyo. These are pronounced with the p sound for p plus a, u, o. By the way, what's the difference between the p sound as in pa, pu, pe, po and the p sound as in p? When the consonants are followed by the i vowel, the tongue position changes. In this case, you make the tongue position of the i vowel, while you make the p consonant. Alright, let's take a closer look at how to pronounce Pya Pyu Pyo. To pronounce Pya, you first make the tongue position of the p sound. Then the tongue moves into position for the a vowel. Pya. Same thing with Pyu and Pyo. To pronounce Pyu, the tongue moves from the p sound to the u vowel. Pyu. To pronounce Pyo, the tongue moves from the p sound to the o vowel. Pyo. Pya Pyu Pyo. Pya Pyu Pyo. Pya Pyu Pyo. Alright, let's practice pronouncing Pya Pyu Pyo using some real words. Repeat with me. 800 800コンピューターコンピューター発表発表 To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。